dark web is full of hackers, drugs, red rooms, and even secret criminal markets. Don't even go there. Let me guess. You have heard those shits before. Most people talking about the dark web have never actually seen it. They are just repeating internet rumors like it's a goddamn horror story. So today we fix that in Netkeleton. What it actually is, how it works, and how people access it. Before we talk about the dark web, you need to understand something important. The internet isn't just one thing. It has layers. And the funny part, you're already using all of them. You just don't notice it. First of all, we have surface web. This is the part everyone lives in. We have YouTube, we have Google, we have TikTok, news sites, blogs, here in surface web. If you can search it and click it and open it easily, that is surface web. It's simple and all sites are indexed and it's public. Think of it like the front page of the internet. It's clean, it's easy and it's safe. Well, mostly safe. Second layer is deep web. Now, I know this sounds scary, but it's actually not. The deep web is just private data. You know, it's your Gmail, your bank account, your Netflix profile, school or work portals. Anything that needs a login means deep web. Nothing illegal here, nothing creepy, it's just not public. So yeah, you have been using the deep web your whole life. Congrats, you have been in the club. Now, the one everyone talks about. The dark web is a small part of the internet that is intentionally hidden. You can't find it on Google, you can open it with a normal browser. You need special tools to access it. But you should know something. It's not automatically evil, it's just anonymous. No identity, no easy tracking for your ISP. That's what makes it different. And because of that, yes, some people use it for illegal stuff, but others use it for good reasons. Journalists, whistleblowers, people living under censorship. For them, it's a way to stay free. To access it, people use Tor, the onion router. And no, it's not about food, and it doesn't smell like onion. It's about layers. Your normal internet is simple. It's just you and website. For example, you type Google, you and website. But when you use Tor, Tor changes that. It's you and then random node and again other random node and again random node, and finally you can reach website. Each step hides part of the information, so no single point knows the full story. It's like ordering food, but your order goes through 3 random strangers in different countries before reaching the restaurant. Nobody knows who ordered it or where it came from. So, what does this do? It makes tracking much harder. Not impossible, not magic, just complicated enough to protect privacy. And by now, if you enjoy, don't forget to like and subscribe. So, if you actually want to explore there, you don't just open Chrome and type something random. It doesn't work like that. You need a specific tool, and the most common one is Tor. Now, there are different ways to use Tor, but let's start with the simplest one. This is the beginner way. You download Tor browser, you just simply install it, and you open it, and that's it. You are inside the Tor network. It's not complicated at all, no advanced knowledge needed, just click, connect, and done. But here's the part most people ignore. Tor is not magic. It does one job, and it does it well. It protects your network traffic. It hides your IP from your ISP. It routes your connection through multiple nodes. It makes tracking you much harder. But that's it. It does not protect your entire system. If your computer is already compromised, Tor won't save you. If you download something weird, Tor won't stop it. Think of Tor like this. It hides where you are going from, but not what you do once you get there. So yeah, basically it's powerful, but it's not a full shield. It's just one layer of protection. And if you actually care about staying safe, just using Tor browser isn't enough. There is a second method, and that's where things get serious. Now we level up. This is the advanced version, Tails OS. This is not just another browser you install and forget. This is a full operating system. that lives on a USB stick, or if you prefer, you can use it as a virtual machine. You don't open it, you boot into it. Different world and also different rules. Here it is what makes it different. Everything, and I mean everything, is forced to go through Tor. No oops, I forgot VPN, no accidental leaks. Tails doesn't trust you enough to mess it up. And second, it doesn't touch your main system. Your Windows, your files, your usual environment completely ignored. Like your real OS doesn't even exist. First of all, you need to download Tails. Go to the official website and download it. Then I will continue with VMware Workstation. Press Ctrl+N here and a new virtual machine window will pop up. Here select this option and click next, choose Linux, click next and continue. Here I will give a small upgrade to our bad boy. Now our machine is created, go ahead and click edit, then navigate here. Select use image file, then find and choose the Tails image you just downloaded. And that's it. We are ready, just run it. Choose whatever you prefer, but I usually go with the automatic option. Wait until it fully connects. If you run into any issue while connecting, you can use Bridge to connect to Tor. Finally, we are in, you can start using it. After connecting to Tor using the Tor browser or Tails, you can start exploring the hidden web using services like Hidden Wiki and Onion Find, which help you discover more sites. So let's simplify this completely. The dark web is not some separate internet. It's not a hidden universe. It's not another world. It's the same internet, just accessed differently. That's it. Surface web equals public. Deep web equals private. And the dark web equals anonymous access. That's the whole story, just different layers based on access and privacy. And when it comes to the dark part, tools like Tor matter. Your traffic doesn't go straight from you to a website. It moves through layers, like bouncing across multiple points, and each step is encrypted. That means no single point sees the full picture. And like any powerful tool, it depends on how it's used. Some people use it for privacy, others use it for things they shouldn't. If this video helped you see things clear, don't forget to like and subscribe. That's it for today. Stay safe, stay smart. See you in the next one. Low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.